Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and today I am making cashew milk. Yes, cashew, making cashew milk. Now for you my first time viewers, I'm so happy to have you. Welcome. Now you know I love nuts. I love all nuts and I love to make them into milk. Did you guys enjoy your oat milk? Did you make your oat milk? I love my oat milk, it's so delicious. So now I'm gonna make another creamy, delicious milk again. Cashew. So these are all that I will be making. 1 cup of cashew soaked overnight. I soak them overnight just because I have time in my hand. If you don't have time in your hand, that's okay. When you're ready to make your cashew milk, all you have to do is shoot some hot water on it and let it sit there for 15 minutes. Then you make your cashew milk. I'm using dates. As you see, I have 4 dates because I want to use date. You don't have to use date if you don't want it. Those are optional. I'm using vanilla again because I want to use vanilla. You don't have to use vanilla. That can be optional as well. All you have, make sure you have is your water, your sea salt, and your cashew to make a delicious creamy cashew milk. So simple. And just remember all the health benefits that cashew have. And if you're not checking my description box, I cannot say it enough to always check my description box for more information and everything that I make you. That's it. You can see that you can have salt in it, you can have sea salt, whatever salt you use, you can chop a little bit in your milk. You can also use cinnamon powder if you want to add some cinnamon powder to yours. I have my cinnamon there. I'm not sure I'm going to add cinnamon, so this is just my ingredients for today, what I'm using. So let me start. Of course, 3.5 cups of water. See? So 3.5 cups of water. So first, I pour my water in my blender. I'm just obsessed with my blender. That's why I'm using it. Best money ever spent. This is 1 cup of cashew. It has to be raw cashew. And I use 4 dates. Or you can use 3 dates or 2 dates. I'm using 4. Not my vanilla. This is just a half teaspoonful. So now, and you start your blender low before you go high, and you speed it up and then you go off the blender.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
You know what I love about cashew milk and all of the nuts when you use them? They're high in protein and fiber, and it's good for your heart, it's good for your health. And when you make cashew milk, you don't have to worry about straining it. It doesn't need to be strained. This is so creamy and rich. Creamy and rich, with a lot of vitamins, protein, fiber, good for your heart. Name them, you're in cashew milk. It is my pleasure making things for you guys. I enjoy doing it so much. If you ever in the neighborhood need a glass of milk, all you have to do is let me know. If you love cashew and you hadn't had cashew milk yet, you need to have this. And today it's of cashew milk. This is plain cashew milk. You can add cinnamon to this. You can also add banana to it. Like, there's so much stuff to add to cashew milk. Oh, I'm excited. excited just thinking about it. Okay. This is this just gives me more energy. Guys, just as you already know, share my videos, click the like button, like, turn it to blue, and subscribe. Yes, and share with your friends and leave me a comment below. I love reading your comments. I love to hear what you guys have to say because you guys are my people and I love you guys. It's my privilege. It's my pleasure, it's my pleasure, it's my privilege, it's my everything coming to you guys and share something with you. I'm super excited doing this and I'm super happy and I hope you guys are excited to see me and happy to see what I house and bring it to you each and every Fridays, Sundays, and Tuesdays. I love you guys.